Okay, in this video episode, I'm going to show you how to work with word problems and geometry and put it together with inequalities. So we have here a triangle up here, as you can see the diagram, and we have three legs on a triangle, obviously. We have 19.1 centimeters for this leg, 31.6 centimeters for the base down here, and X is what we're after. Now let me just read you the words, and the words here and the phrases are very key in terms of finding how to put this together, because the clues are in the question. So here are the words. The perimeter of a triangle, this triangle right here, must be no more than 75.8 centimeters. So let's go ahead and do a data capture first, because when you work with word problems, we want to just abbreviate and write down numerically what we have from the word problem. So it's not a lot of words, but the perimeter, we'll represent that by P. The perimeter is what? The perimeter must be no more than, that's the phrase. No more than, and I'll underline that because that's key here, no more than 75.8 centimeters. 75.8 centimeters. And we all know that perimeter is the addition of all the three legs of the triangle. That's the perimeter. We add them together, they should equal the perimeter 75.8 centimeters. Okay, no more than. Now, which inequality symbol do you think is best represented with this phrase? Is it this one here, which is the less than? Is it the less than or equal to symbol? Is it the greater than, or is it the greater than or equal symbol? Which of those four do you suppose is best represented by the phrase no more than? Well, if you guessed this one, you're right. This one here is no more than. Let me just write it down again here. No more than. Also known as less than or equal to. You could also refer to it as at most. So there's a lot of words that is best represented by that one symbol. So again, less than or equal to symbol also means no more than. So now we can put together the inequality to represent the perimeter. We're going to add all three sides. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have the first side, 19.1 centimeters plus the base length, 31.6, plus the unknown variable X, we'll put that right there, must be what? No more than, which is less than or equal to, like that. No more than. There it is. How much? 75.8 centimeters. Okay, we have an inequality. All we have to do now is solve it. So let's collect and combine like terms, similar numbers. We got this one and this one. We can add them together. So they're like terms. 19.1, and I'm going to add it to 31.6. Always noting, if you're doing this by hand, you keep the decimal points right underneath each other. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, so it's 50.7. The addition of these two guys, 50.7. So these two guys together, let me write down 50.7 plus missing variable X, there's our X right there, is no more than 75.8. Okay, we want to get the X home alone. What do? Well, let's take away 50.7 from both sides. Let's do that. So take away 50.7 and take away 50.7. So we take that away from both sides. We're left with 0 on the left-hand side. So we just got the X here, which is less than or equal to no more than. Now let's take away these guys. So 8 take away 7 is 1. Let's do this in blue. 1. I'll do it in black actually. 1 decimal point. 5 take away 0 is just 5. And 7 take away 5, that's 2. So x is no more than 25.1. Another phrase is x is less than or equal to 25.1 centimeters. So let me just go ahead and box that up. So let me just put that in there. X should be no more than, less than or equal to, no more than 25.1 centimeters. There you go. Hope that helps.